Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error. Your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen, then tap on setting, then tap on Apple ID banner name, then tap on passwords and security, then tap on change password, enter your passcode. From here, what you need to do is change your password, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and from here sign out your Apple ID at least the 30 seconds, and you have signed in again. And after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the method doesn't work, then tap on media and purchase, then tap on view account, then tap on manage payment. From here, you can see payment method. You make sure that update your payment method, especially CVV, then tap on done. And after update your payment method, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back, then tap on country or region, tap on this, then tap on again change country or region, select your country. I'm selecting United States. Then tap on agree and tap on again agree. From here you can see payment method, select your payment method. I'm select none, and from here enter your street name and enter your again street name, enter your city name and select your state like California, enter your California zip code, then enter your phone number, then tap on next. After changing your country or region, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.